What's up, guys? 4 a.m. crew right here. All right. We got new products coming out. Saps Blackjacks by J.M. Buckheimer. Different model of the Dirty Harry shoulder holster. Nice new colored suede option. We got some other stuff coming in the little storefront. Anybody that's interested in any kind of knives, swords, new and antique, let me know. Message me. We're going to be doing some pretty crazy things. We're already getting ready for 2026 right now. And we are halfway there. And we're already getting ready. So, we'll see you guys. Visit us, RufianoInternational.com. And anything you guys are interested in, fine art, antiques, jewelry. You got the holster company. Anything like that, let us know. Thanks.